Hello everyone, Michael of Seattle here, helping you guys become better traders today. Now today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite scanners. We're going to be looking for low PE ratio stocks, which means they are undervalued compared to other ones in their sector. So first of all, we're going to open up FinViz. You're going to be on the screener page, and then we're going to hit the all button over here. That way we can see all the information right at our fingertips. Now under order right here, you're going to see ticker. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to scroll down until you see performance year to date. And let's go down, performance year to date right there. Next, we're going to go to market cap. From here on out, we're going to be going from left to right. Market cap is going to be small, under 2 billion, which is right here. Not to say small 300 million to 2 billion, small under 2 billion. This is important. Next, we're going to go to PB right underneath it, and we're going to go to low, which is under 1. Now, towards the bottom, you're going to see price. We want this to be over $5. Now, I know a lot of you guys like to buy cheaper stocks, so maybe you guys might want to set this to over $2 or over $3. Some people that are less risky like to actually set this to over $10. I like a little bit of risk, nice risk reward, so I do over $5. Now, if we go to the next column over here, we're going to see PE. We want that to be set to low, under 15. And then a few notches down, we're going to go to return on assets. And right here, we just want this to be positive. Doesn't matter how much above, we just want it to be positive. Then right next to this one, you're going to see return on equity. And this one, you also just want to be positive. And then the last one we're going to be looking at over here is PEG. This one you also want to be low. Now, this is everything you need to do. Now comes a little bit more difficult part here. I'm going to go to charts. That way we can just see the charts and kind of get a good idea of what we want to be looking at. And we're going to be looking for stuff that just seems like it hasn't exploded yet, or it's been kind of at a downtrend, and we're going to add it to a watch list if we think it has potential to have a nice move up eventually. Something like this HMN seems to be doing okay. It's testing support right now, and it looks like if it holds support, it could go all the way from $38 to $44, which could be great if you own a few calls that expire a few months out. Now you can see something like LPG has already exploded, but you can see it could bust out of this pennant in the next few weeks. Everything else seems to be just okay. Maybe AAWW seems like it could be pretty interesting. FFHL seems like it's testing support, so it is undervalued, so that might be actually worth getting into it right now. And then of course you guys have to do a little bit more DD than that. You guys are going to have to put this on a chart and things of that nature, but this gives you a pretty good idea of what's undervalued in the market right now and what could potentially see as some nice explosive moves in the upcoming months. So this is definitely something you'd want to keep on your watch list unless you don't trade a certain type of stock. Like for example, I don't trade biotechnology companies, so maybe Acor is not going on my watch list. But something like TPC, which has had a nice little dip right here, but is definitely coming back up, maybe that's something I do add onto my watch list. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, nice and short as always. Please make sure to subscribe and like the video, it helps out the channel a lot. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. Have a great day.